clot batty boy were coming like this a broke hungry little big head squeezing so good liquid batty hole dog bed. Me a 60 and looking blood clot. You not gonna live for real 60 then soon dirt your bumper hole. Dirty nasty big head ugly looking handicap looking bumper hole batty boy. Now batty can call for my son him a 10 you my son get. No batty boy in my son them DNA. Are you fuck your mind and batty hole and get a dirty nasty drunko. Everybody so fuck. Everybody a Batty Mon fear. Batty Mon Male.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and you already know the deal, my babes. My dad yourself for telling no what I go on for that to go on this summer, so let's just kick it off with Dancehall King. Even more squash, Vybz Kartel. His man said, squash 6 balls. Mom out here is defending him because it looked like the same set of people that take set pan our son is taking set pan Vybz Kartel. You know what I mean? These dudes out here seeing a man in them boxers fantasizing is like one brief. I don't know, you know, but as you can see in the like the posts that we posted earlier with her, I deal with them accordingly, you know. You see what I'm saying? I just one thing I have to ask, why you guys, you bloggers, you whoever within a platform, when they never take the opportunity to review one girl in our jazz and say, yeah, baby, that look good, and yeah, wine lovely and all of this stuff. Listen, I said, but you want to have the acts for Vybz Kartel. The minute on a deem something shaky, when they take it up on the head. Listen, I said, but nevertheless, let's listen to what Squash Mom is saying and we proceed.
It's blood clot, oh. You can't put a foot in none of the artists' them shoes. Dirty, hungry belly bumper wall. If TikTok dead now, you blood clot dead. Hungry belly boy. The whole artists them better off than bumper wall and nasty. 60 and looking blood clot. Go then soon kill your pussy wall because of your dirty mouth. From you see your blood clot, I'm gonna come about me because me 60 and looking blood clot good. Not even 60 like 70. Dirty blood clot, kill a whole dog vomit. All period, all blood, all cycle, all dirty pad, all shit up pampers, all riverton dump, all big Batty Mon, TikTok big blood clot kingpin. You can't style you, they move your pussy with bad man, they kill him on no skill. On skill have to mix.
Anyway, let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, dancehall artist Flexx, Complexx, and Bounty Killer touching topic on this Latoya situation. Because we see what Babylon do the other day, you know. You see what I say? And this is what Bounty Killer had to say about the whole ordeal. Basically, everything is transparent. And these are the things that Horace Chang was trying to avoid. You see what I say? First of all, him say, shoot first, ask question after. And then him say, police shouldn't be wearing body cams when they're on mission to serving the public. You see what I say? But before we get into what Flexx have to say, you know, a lot of these images is circulating of the victim. As you can see, she was a problem in America. It was her mugshot, and you know, these are several photos of her with a matic. You see what I say? Which is not legal in America if you're an alien. You see what I say? So I don't know why these things are surfacing, because it doesn't mean that she was guilty in this offense against the police. And from what me I see, she was turning the wheel from the officer, not towards the officer. So that means that she wasn't trying to commit you know what. But nevertheless, let's hear what Flexx has say. You see, man.
Operate like gunman, them not operate like police. Them not operate like police. Once them say you're wrong, you're wrong. All when you're right. So them would pick up them head at any time. Brother, nobody not see for Jamaica, you know? Nobody not see for Jamaica. Only people see for Jamaica, rich people them and the politicians them. But regular citizens of the country, they're safe. Whether you drive car, you ride bike, or you walk. At any time a police can pull over a bike man, pull over one car man, or pull over one walk foot man, murder them, put gun pan them and say a shootout. At any time. A policeman wife cannot fuck pan him and a give him bun. And him come take it out pan the citizens them of the country. As some of them something them see a go on. A policeman we have the bag of problem them in yard and can't chat to him woman. Can't chat to him woman or can't deal with him woman, but him can come out a road. That right? That right? Oh. If innocent people, if a woman can just in her vehicle and she a drive where one policeman goes so, bow and shoot, and that to get gun for? And that to get gun for? If you just shoot people at any time on the one. You no kill pitney, you no kill man, you no kill woman, you no kill every woman blood clot thing, you no kill. And that to get gun for? And that to get gun for? If you just walk and shoot innocent people and tell lie on them. Up and gun in one bounty killer, one godfather, one done. Yeah. Is not blind and them a play blind. Can me see, una make everything in the world. She not criminal. Not that I know of, not that Jamaica know of. She only get deported. And that have to do with Uncle Sam, because she not wanted in our country. Because if she wanted in our country, when she get deported, them would lock her up. She up on the road and do her business. Why the woman is deceased now? Because she has to kill the little youth innocently. And she give information to Indicom about the police them. So I saw on steer. When you know the wrong and them something there, me know of a policeman already, you know. Me know of a policeman already. Long time this me a talk about from my youth. We kill a man just because him lick the man blood clot car. You hear me tell you? Him lick the man blood clot car. You know what them do? Set up the man and tell him to come collect the money about 2 weeks after that and kill the youth. Not for no police born a murderer. Not all the police them.
It's just a sad situation. I'm no law enforcement. I'm no lawyer, this, that, and the third. But like I said, based off the video footage that I seen, she was trying to drive away from the officer. You see what I said? But it's just sad because, you know, people don't trust law enforcement already. You see what I said? Boy, you know, the people that might burn up the road and all of them things. You see me? But yeah, like I said, the system have to do better, and it's only you the people them can change, because as you see right here, people is having issues accessing even the beaches and the rivers. See, people down at Blue Lagoon, and security I tell them some have to lift up private property, but nobody owns the water, so who saw the property? Well, when I see them on the screen. Anyway, people, I'm not going long on this no longer. No, that's giving them quick update on the night. So don't forget to check out these next suggested videos and see on the screen. You know what I mean? And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so. And turn on the notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Please.